Hello the people around the globe, di ana pod ko. So, dirian na lang sa ako mag-upload dai kay just because dili pa ko pwede mag-upload sa Pikas, no? Wala lang. As a shop helper, as a super mommy, so di ba? Laban lang. Di wala lang. Upload lang pag may time. Update pag may time. No. So another one, di ba? American dog ang tawag ani, pero I don't know why is it call it American dog, no? I always wondering why is it that they call it American dog, o diba? American dog dito tawag ani Marie. And then coated man gyapon ni siya sa floor, but anyway lami gid siya, no? So makarelate sa ako, we have here in mustard and ketchup. Imo na ibubod tananday. So my first language is Bisaya. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm so sorry for those from Luzon or from... I'm not perfect in English anyway, but I'm trying my best to speak it out. Diba? Joke. Diba? Maya siya. And then first bite. If you want to visit Japan, try this one. Baka busog po siya dahil, kaya dako man dyan kayo. Muding itawag og American dog, kaya American dog dyan siya. Dako dyan siya dahil. Joke. Dirian lang sa ako mag-upload kaya di pa ko pwede speakas. So, sa mga nangita na ako, I'm still here. Wala na, joke lang ako, Diba? Super yummy. Thank you, convenience store. Perfect combination, the mustard and then the ketchup. Perfect na perfect. And then here, very crunchy. Honest review, very wishy. Love. Thank you. I love you. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Bye.